Hi students, good morning to all. Welcome to Business Mathematics class. Last class we have learned chapter 1 up to example 1.15 over. So today let's start from example 1.16. So testing the consistency of a matrices we are learning for the last two classes. So today also we are continuing that. So example 1.16, find k if the equations x plus y plus z is equal to 7, x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 18, y plus kz is equal to 6 are inconsistent. Okay. So listen the question carefully. We need to find the value of k. So here k is one of the unknown value, that one we need to find. As well as x, y, z. There are three unknowns, that values also you don't know. So we are going to find the k value. They are given, the three equations are inconsistent. So already we have learned some rules in that one. We have learned if the three equations are inconsistent, how you will say when it is inconsistent, how? That is row of a comma b value is not equal to row of a means you will say the given system is inconsistent. You have learned and we have did many problems in that session. So first we are going to write this in the form of ax is equal to b. So 1, 1, 1, is it right? So 1, 1, 1. So next one 1, 2, 3. Next one is here x value is missing. So 0, 1. Next one is k. Okay. Next one is x, y, z is equal to 7, 18, 6. Now it is in the form of ax is equal to b. Okay. So first what will you do? Matrix A. Next one is augmented matrix. Matrix A comma B. Then last one is elementary transformation. Elementary transformation. Okay. So first we will write the matrix A. Is it right? So A matrix. What is A matrix? So 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, k. Correct? Next AB means 1, 1, 1, 7. Next one is 1, 2, 3, 18. The next one is 0, 1, k, 6. Okay. So it is equivalent to, so first row as it is. So already I have taught you in many problems. So already I taught you in many questions, that is, this is a non-zero row, is it right? First row. So first row, first element must be a non-zero element. So below that two elements must be 0. So you need to make this as 0. So I am going to change it as R2 implies R2 minus R1. Okay, already we have did more than 10 problems. So R2 minus R1 means 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. Then 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay. So next row I am writing as it is. So same as here also, equivalent to 1, 1, 1, 7, 0, 1, 2, 18 minus 7. So 18 minus 7 means 11. So 0, 1, k, 6. Okay. So then you know these two elements we have made as 0. So next second row, first element is 0. So next element is a non-zero. So below this element you need to make as 0. So how you will make first row as it is 0, 1, 2. So this one how you will make the difference, that is R3 implies R3 minus R2. Shall we check? That is R3 minus R2 means 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. This is k minus 2. Same as here also equivalent to 1, 1, 1, 7, 0, 1, 2, 11, 0, 0, k minus 2, then 6 minus 11, that is minus 5. Okay. Now it is in the form of echelon form. Okay. Then only you want to be very careful. In the question it is given, already it is given, the system is inconsistent. So conformly you know, if the system is inconsistent means row of A comma B value is not equal to row of A. You know, is it right? So here you see, if I am making this K value as 2, if K is equal to 2 means what will happen? 2 minus 2. This will become 0. Is it right? So row of A, then it will become 2. Correct? Anyhow, here also 2 minus 2 means it will become 0. But row of A comma B, it is 3. Correct? So listen carefully. That is here, if the K value is 2, 2 minus 2, 0. So row of A value you will get as 2. But row of A comma B value is 3. Now it is only possible when K minus 2 is equal to 0. Understand? Then only the given condition is true, inconsistent. Understand? So you come to know that is according to the given condition. If it is inconsistent, that is for the equations to be inconsistent. If the equations to be inconsistent means, you know, row of A comma B value is not equal to row of A. Okay. So row of A comma B value is not equal to row of A means, anyhow K minus 2 value is equal to 0. So therefore it is possible if K minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, which implies K is equal to, this is the answer. Understand? So here, now you substitute K is equal to 2 here. So what will happen? 2 minus 2, 0. Correct? 2 minus 2, what will happen? 0. So this one, row of A value is 2. Row of A comma B value is 3. So row of A is not equal to row of A comma B. Therefore the system is inconsistent. According to the condition, it is true. Next question is example 1.17. Investigate for what value of A and B the following system of equations x plus y plus z is equal to 6, x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 10, x plus 2y plus az is equal to b. Okay. So have no solution. So when it is having no solution, what's the answer? When it has unique solution, what's the answer? Infinite number of solution, what's the answer? So for that, separately you need to find the value of A and B. Understand? So first you need to write it in the form of x is equal to B. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, A. Correct? Then x, y, z is equal to 6, 10, B. Okay? Now it is in the form of Ax is equal to B. So let us change. Next one is matrix A. Next is augmented matrix. Last is elementary transformation. Okay, so I am writing matrix A. Okay, so 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, A. Same as augmented matrix 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, A, 6, 10, B. Okay. So first you need to change it by echelon form to echelon form. So first elementary transformation is, I need to make these two elements as non-zero. So I am going to make R2 implies R2 minus R1. Okay. So it's equivalent to 1, 1, 1. R2 minus R1. That is 0, 1. Next is 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay. Same as R3 I am going to transform as R3 minus R1 to make this as 0. So R3 minus R1 means 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 minus 1 is, sorry, 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Next one is a minus 1. So same as here also. 1, 1, 1, 6, 0, 1, 2. So R2 minus R1. 10 minus 6 is 4. So here R3 minus R1. So R3 minus R1 means 0, 1, A minus 1. This is B minus 6. Okay. Then you need to make this element as 0. So equivalent to R3 implies R3 minus R2. I'm moving somewhat faster. The reason is we have learned many problems in the same model. Okay. So 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 2. So here R3 minus R2. So 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. A minus 1 minus 2. So A minus 1 minus 2 means A minus 3. So same as here also. 1, 1, 1, 6, 0, 1, 2, 4. Then 0, 1, 0, 0, A minus 3. Last one, B minus 6 minus 4 is B minus 10. Okay. So now we have changed this in the form of echelon form. Okay. Now we are going to take us case 1, case 2 and case 3. Okay. First case is no solution. So you need to keep it in mind, that is row of A value is not equal to row of A comma B, then only we can say the system has no solution. Now just you think here if I am substituting 3, what will happen? This row of A value is changed as 2, is it right? So same here also 3 means what will happen? This will become row of A is equal to 2, same as here row of A comma B is equal to 3, is it right? So you must keep it in mind, this A minus 3 is equal to 0 but B minus 10 is not equal to 0, then only we will get no solution. Understand? So first the system possesses no solution only when row of A is not equal to row of A comma B. This one you know, is it right? When you say the system has no solution, row of A is not equal to row of A comma B, then only we can say the system has no solution. Understand? So here row of A is not equal to row of A comma B. So which is possible only when you know, is it right? When it will be possible, this value want to become 0 but this value is not equal to 0. So A minus 3 is equal to 0 and B minus 10 is not equal to 0. Hence A is equal to 3, B is not equal to 10. The system possesses no solution. Next case is for unique solution. So if we need to get unique solution, already we have learned row of A value must be equal to row of A comma B, as well as row of A value and row of A comma B is equal to n, number of unknowns. So here how many unknowns are there? 3 unknown values are there, is it right? X, Y and Z. 3 unknown values are there. So row of A value must be equal to row of A comma B, then as well as this both value also equal to n. Then only we can say the system has unique solution. Understand? So the system possesses unique solution only when row of A value is equal to row of A comma B, the value is equal to n. Okay, then only we can say the system has unique solution. Understand? So when it will become row of A comma B value is equal to row of B, then when row of A value is equal to row of B is equal to n means, which is possible only when, listen here ma, that is a minus 3 is there, is it right? A minus 3 value must be not equal to 0, then only we will get row of A value as 3, is it right? So same as here also, then not equal value you will get. This B minus 10, any real numbers you can, okay? So that B must be belongs to R, but conformly you come to know this A value must be not equal to 3. If the value is equal to 3 means what will happen? This row of A will changes to, this value will changes 3. So same as this case 1 you will get, okay? So here you need to get row of A value is equal to row of A comma B. That also equal to 3 you need to get. So because of that, if A minus 3 value is not equal to 0, then only you will get A, row of A value is equal to row of A comma B. Understand? So which is possible only when A minus 3 is not equal to 0 and B may be any real number, as we can observe. It may be any real number, okay, no problem at all. If A minus 3 value is not equal to 0 means here also it will be not equal to 0, so conformly you will get row of A equal to row of A comma B, both also equal to 3, okay. So hence for A not equal to 3 and B belongs to any real number, the system possesses unique solution. Okay, have you got it? Okay, next, third case. Okay, third case is case 3 for an infinite number of solutions. Possess infinite number of solution means row of A comma B value is equal to row of A less than n. Okay, so in second condition equal to n you need to obtain, here less than n. So less than n means 3 you won't get, is it right? 3 we won't get, less than 3 you need to obtain. Okay, so for infinite number of solution means the system possesses an infinite number of solutions only when row of A value is equal to row of A comma B, both the value also less than n. Okay, so when row of A value is equal to row of A comma B value is equal to 2 less than 3. So there is only possible you need to get is equal to 2. Okay, so equal to 2 when you will obtain. So row of A also 2 you need to get, row of A comma B also 2 you need to get. So you come to know this value also need to become 0, this also will 0, this will also want to become a 0, is it right? So A minus 3 also equal to 0, B minus 10 also equal to 0. So if I am putting 3 here, this will become row of A value is 0. Then row of A value is equal to 2. So if I am substituting here also A value 3, B value 10 means what will happen? This will also become row of A comma B value also 2. So you will get an answer. Okay. So less than 2 when A minus 3 is equal to 0, B minus 10 is equal to 0, which implies A equal to 3, B equal to 10. The system possesses infinite number of solutions. Understand? Very, very important question. I am going to repeat now. Listen carefully. First, up to here, everything same as previous questions. Okay. So here they are given 3 cases. Okay. First case is no solution. Second case is unique solution. Third case is infinite number of solution. So first you keep it in mind. If we need to obtain no solution, row of A value must be not equal to row of A comma B. Okay. Then if we need to obtain unique solution, row of A value must be equal to row of A comma B, as well as that must be equal to the number of unknowns. For infinite number of solution means row of A value must be equal to row of A comma B, as well as both the values also less than the number of unknowns. So one by one. So no solution means this value want to become as 0. Then only we will get this value was 2, this value was 3. So both are not equal, so you will get no solution. Then unique solution means both also you need to get as n, is it right? So this also want to become not equal to 0. Here any real number, B for any real number. So you will get unique solution. Then infinite number of solution means both the values also equal to 0 means then only you will get both row of A and row of A comma B is equal to less than the unknowns. From that you can obtain the system as infinite number of solution. Understand? Very important question. Now itself one more time you practice it, then only you will thorough in this particular question. Okay, let's move to the next question. Our last example in this first section, example 1.18. Listen here. Example 1.18. I am reading the question. You see the question in your book. Okay. The total number of units produced P. Okay. Total number of units is P. Is a linear function of amount of overtimes in labor in hours. Okay. L. Amount of additional machine time, that is M. Fixed finishing time A. Okay. That is P is equal to A plus BL plus CM. It is very important. Okay. We are going to find this value. Understand? A value we need to find, B value, L value, CM. Okay. So here in this question they gave from the data given below find the values of a constant ABC. So you need to find the value of the constant ABC. Here how many constants are there? 3 constants. So A, B, C value you need to find. Some one tabular column is given. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday separately. Production, labor, additional machine. Okay. So from this, next is estimate the production when overtime in labor is 50 hours. This 50 is L. Okay. Then additional machine time is 15. That is the value of M. Okay. So it is L, it is M. So the from the given question, P is equal to A plus BL plus CM. A value, B value, C value you need to find. At L is equal to, L means this 50, M means 15. So finally you need to substitute all the values in this particular equation and you need to find the answer. Understand? Okay. We have P is equal to A plus BL plus CM. That's given in the question. Okay. Next, one tabular column is given in your question. From the tabular column, we have formed this 3 equations. Okay. 6950 is equal to A plus, that is A plus 40B plus 10C. Okay. The next one is we have formed from here. Okay. So L means that is B value. So from that we have formed the 3 equations. Understand? 3 equations. Then as usual how we will write AX plus B form. Here it is in the it is ABC. So unknown constant is ABC. So I have wrote as ABC. Understand? Now we need to change it in the echelon form. So same as the previous questions. Okay. So here matrix A. The next one is augmented matrix. Last one is elementary transformation. Elementary transformation. Okay. So matrix A. So 1, 40, 10, 1, 35, 9, 1, 40, 12. Augmented matrix is 1, 40, 10, 6, 9, 5, 0. Next is 1, 35, 9, 6, 7, 2, 5, 1, 40, 12, 7, 1, 00. Okay. So first you need, is it right? First you need to make this to a 0. Then next to this, below this number, you need to make a 0. So first I am going to change R2 as R2 minus R1. Same as this one you need to make a 0 for that R3 minus R1. Okay. So what will happen? 1, 40, 10, R2 minus R1. So 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 35 minus 40 is minus 5. Then 9 minus 10 is minus 1. So same as R3, 0. Then 40 minus 40 is 0. Then 12 minus 10 is 2. So equivalent to. So given. So 1, 40, 10, 6, 9, 5, 0. Then 0, minus 5, minus 1. Then this one 6, 7, 2, 5, minus 6, 9, 5, 0. So you will get minus 225. Then this one R3 minus R1 means 0, 0, 2. 7, 1, 0, 0, minus 6, 9, 5, 0. You will get 150. Correct? Okay. Then next. Now, so row of A is equal to how much? 3. Row of A comma B is equal to how much? Okay. So next, how will you find out? You will write this. Is it right? So 1, 40, 10, 0, minus 5, 1, 0, 0, 2. Then A, B, C. Then 6, 9, 5, 0, minus 225. That is 150. Okay, this is everything already we have learned. Okay. So now you can form the equation. So how will you form? A plus 40B plus 10C is equal to 6950. Understand? The next one, minus 5B minus C is equal to minus 225. Third one is 2C is equal to 150. Take this as equation number 1. This is 2. This is 3. From the third equation, you will find the C value. So 2C equal to 150 means C is equal to 150 by 2. So C is equal to 75. Understand? Then next you will substitute C is equal to 75 in equation number 2. Substitute. So 2 implies what will happen? Minus 5B minus 75 is equal to minus 225. So minus 5B is equal to minus 225 plus 75. So what will happen? Minus 5B is equal to, if we subtract, you will get minus 150. So this and this will get cancelled. So B is equal to 150 by 5. So B is equal to 30. Understand? So only one value you need to find. Now substitute B is equal to 30, C equal to 75 in equation number 1. Okay. Substitute in equation number 1. Equation number 1 implies A plus 40 into B value 30 plus 10 into C value 75 is equal to 6950. Simplify. A plus 1200 plus 7550 is equal to 6950. Bring all the terms to one side. So A is equal to 6950 minus 1950. Subtract it, you will get A is equal to 5000. Understand? Now you know A is equal to 5000, B is equal to how much? 30, C is equal to 75. Understand? That is production. Okay, production at first, when I am reading the question itself, I said production at what they asked in the question. Estimate the production when overtime in labor. Labor means L value is 50, M value is 15. So in this equation, L value is 15, L value is 50, M value is 15. A, B, C value, now you know. Substitute all the value in this equation. Production P at L is equal to how much? L is equal to at L is equal to 50, M is equal to 15. You need to find. So equation is A plus BL plus C. Okay. So which implies 5000, that is A value, plus B value 30 into L value. L value how much? 50 plus 75 into M value is 15. 5000 plus 30 into 15 means 1500 plus 1125. Add all the values, you will get production P is equal to 7625 units. Don't forget to put units. Understand? Very easiest question. Up to here we have learned in one problem. So after that, this is only still extra in this particular question. That is production P at L is equal to 50 and M is equal to 15. You need to understand, students. I hope you all got it. We have completed 18 examples in the first section related to exercise 1.1. Okay. So in exercise 1.1 also I gave some problems to for you to practice. Now rest of the problem. So here exercise 1.1 first Roman fully I hope you completed. Then the second question is there. So this one we not completed till now. So I will give just the idea to do. You need to complete. Okay. So if A is equal to one matrix and B is equal to one matrix is given. Okay. Find the rank of AB and the rank of BA. So in last year you know, is it right, how to find the product of two matrices. So for this question, first what you need to do is, first you need to find the value of A into B. So you know, is it right, 7 method we have did. So AB method, A into B you need to find. Okay, when you are multiplying A and B matrix, you will get the value of AB. After that, find the rank of that particular AB. Okay. Then afterwards what you need to do is, they ask to find the rank of BA. Okay. So what you need to do? You need to find the product of BA afterwards. Okay. First you need to find the product of A and B. That is A into B. Then find the rank of AB. Afterwards find the product of B into A. B and A and find the rank of B into A. Understand? I hope you got it. You can complete. Okay. Then 3, 4, 5 everything we have completed. Then come to the sixth question. Sixth question is, for what values of the parameter will the following equation fail to have unique solution? Okay, fail to have unique solution. So it won't be the unique solution. Understand? So as usual everything same only. You need to find you need to write it in the form of Ax is equal to B. Afterwards change it into the echelon form by the rank method. Okay, change it by the rank method. Afterwards you need to find the value of the parameter lambda. One question we have did find the value of k. So same as here, find the value of lambda. Understand? Okay. Then seventh problem is the price of the three commodities X, Y, Z and X, Y, Z respectively. Mr. Anand purchases 6 units of Z and sells 2 units of X and 3 units of Y. Okay. So here I am going to give you only one. Now the price of three commodities X, Y and Z. Is it right? So yeah, I am going to form and give how we will form a three equations. Okay, three equations. So the first, the price of three commodities X, Y, Z. So you need to find the value of X, Y and Z. Okay. So Mr. Anand purchases 6 units of Z and sells. So purchase, sell, how much they are earning. Okay. So if we are reading the question, the price of three commodities X, Y, Z respectively, Mr. Anand. So first equation I will form and give. Okay. So already we have learned in the last year, that is selling price minus cost price is equal to earn. Otherwise selling price minus purchasing. If you are purchasing something, we need to give some amount. Is it right? So selling price minus purchasing. Is it right? Then only you will get the profit. So will earn. Is it right? So first one is Mr. Anand. So I am forming for Mr. Anand. Okay, Mr. Anand. First equation I am going to form. So Mr. Anand purchases 6 units of Z. So 6 units of Z in the sense 6 Z. Okay, 6 Z and sells 2 units of X and 3 units of Y. Okay. So here it will be minus. Understand? So purchases means it will be minus. Remaining sales means it will be plus. So 2x plus 3y. How much he is earning? They gave us it right, 5,000. So it is 5,000. So same as that. Next person is Amar. Next person is Amit. So for 3 persons you need to form the 3 equation in the same manner and solve the 3 equation by using rank method, and you find the X, Y, Z value. Understand? This is the 7th question. Understand? You try to complete it. Okay. Last question. An amount of rupees 5,000 is to be deposited in 3 different bonds bearing they need to deposit? How much they need to deposit? Totally 5,000. So let us take the three bonds as bond 1 as X, bond 2 as Y, and bond Z as Z, you assume. Okay. So from the first condition, you can write the three different bonds. Is it right? So you can form X plus Y plus Z is equal to 5,000. Okay. Then next one is bearing 6%. 6% means how will you write? 6x by 100 plus the next one is 7%. Next one is 8%. Okay. Total annual income is rupees 358. From that I will form the equation. 7% means 7y by 100. The next one is 8% means 8z by 100 is equal to totally 358. Understand? Now 10 is there. Sorry, 100 is the LCM here. You can bring this 100 here and form the second equation. Okay. Then third one is they are saying if the income from the first two investment is 70 more than the income from the third. Okay. So they said more than, that is 6x by 100. This is second equation. You need to bring this 100 here. Plus 7y by 100 minus, they are saying, is it right? If the income from the first two investment. So minus 8z by 100 is equal to 70. They gave, is it right? This also you need to take the LCM as 100, bring this 100 to this side, form the equation. Finally, you find the value of X, Y and Z. That is bond 1, bond 2 and bond 3. Understand? So first exercise, that is exercise 1.1. All the examples and the related exercise over. I gave some homeworks for you. Try to complete now itself. Learn thoroughly. So first section over. We will start our next session in the next class. Okay, students?